We're back to our channel today. Let's make how to make slime.
Our yoga instructor is here. She's in there, so.
Well, it's not in the schedule. It says it doesn't start until.
We're gonna stir it into the water with glue.
Water and glue.
So mix it up.
And next we have to get the food coloring. So we're just gonna wait for Mrs. Stearns.
Is she here? The yoga instructor is here. She is here.
That looks gross.
What?
What does that look like?
Like glue?
No, it looks like milk.
You pour it in someone's cereal.
It looks like milk. We're having sandwiches for dessert? That's disgusting.
No, not just any sandwiches. Pastrami sandwiches.
When you're saying this glue is my favorite color.
What about roast beef cupcakes? Well, you tell me what you guess is for dessert.
Cupcakes? What's on?
I don't know. Allie's
Let's
choice.
focus on YouTube channel. Come on.
Alright, don't go mixing anything together until that food coloring gets here.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back.
Can I open this?
Not yet. Come on.
I'm back.
Whoa.
Don't open it yet. Hey, we're back. Our channel is called How to Make Slime. But first is water, then glue, and we mixed it. So we're waiting for the food coloring.
You're the best supervisor ever.
That's good. I try really hard to be the best supervisor ever.
When we first year here, I didn't know you were Mr. Kidness.
I knew you though.
I was like
I haven't even tried.
what year is that?
Your first year here.
Did you want to say hi to Mr. Kidness or no?
You want to sit here?
Hi, Mr. Kidness.
Hello.
Did you know wear glasses?
I sure did.
Did I make you that bad one?
Done.
What?
I did make you that bat one year.
You made me that. Yep.
Can I see that bat?
I still
Julia.
have my office.
Hi. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good. Did you get the message somebody?
Yes,
right
those
here.
ladies right over there.
Food coloring.
You guys need to wait for Miss for the next direction.
Food coloring.
Thank you, Mr.
Oh, good
Thank
manners,
you.
you guys. You're welcome.
Yay!
Hi.
We need.
Sam, I won't be here Wednesday because of the dance. I'm going with the high schoolers. But any food coloring that's left, could I have it back?
Of course.
All right.
We only need a few drops.
Oh, I'm not worried.
Okay.
Enjoy it. But I'll be in the James Center from 3 o'clock to probably 4 o'clock if somebody wants to run it over.
Yeah.
Or my mailbox.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good night, ladies.
Okay.
Maya, please don't stare at
So it's
people from
one
the end
to
of the hall.
Three.
Okay.
What color are we doing?
It's a little odd. If you want to speak, come on down
Pink
this
or
way.
purple? Or do we want to
I
do
want-
one that's pink and one that's purple?
I want
So
pink.
you're waiting
want
for the
pink?
bathroom.
Pink.
Both pink?
Okay, there's
Yep.
another bathroom
Okay.
over here. You're welcome to use it. It's just a little odd to stand in a dark hallway. And
What's-
you don't have to apologize, but if you need to use a restroom, you're always welcome to use the one down here.
Someone tell me what 6 divided by 14 is. Oh, here's my device.
I don't want to ask my Australian Siri because he's cute.
You won't be asking him questions because he's cute.
No.
How do you think he would feel about that? Australian Siri.
I can play music and Queen.
Kill me.
Sure, please.
We're gonna do
We got our
to
list.
one blue. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, do not stir. Are you sure you don't want to do purple?
No, pink.
Don't stir. I would bet yes. Now wait, because I need to add one more color. But wait, there's more.
Fudge.
Okay, now whisk that together and
And
let's
whisk
see if you
squeeze.
like the whisk away. Let's see if you like that color.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah?
It looks like pancake powder to me.
That's gonna be so pretty.
I won't tell you love, you drive me crazy. Peter, come into my party, I'm so happy. Peter's my awesome friend.
Her hair is full of secrets.
I know. I know. She got hit by a bus!
Shh, Julia.
Sorry, Regina George.
Shh, Julia. I need to focus on YouTube.
At the end, she was her friend. Her true friend.
Julia. I need to focus on YouTube.
Okay.
Miss M. Regina George was her friend at the end.
Is it shiny pink?
It's a beautiful color. Okay.
We have to mix it.
Now, I'm going to help scrape what's in here into this. But yes, you are going to use the whisks that I have provided.
Both of us?
Both of you. Ready? Amy, you pour. And Julia, you can pour too.
Okay.
Pour with one hand, stir with the other hand. Go, go, go. All of it at once. All of it. Good. Okay, now take a break from. Oh, yep, there you go. Nice and slow.
That's because we're making slime.
Oddly enough, I made some
Oh my
slime
God.
on Saturday night with my niece.
Really?
We made yellow and we made blue sparkly.
I tried to get them to buy glow-in-the-dark glue. They wouldn't go for it. All right, guess what, girls? Now you can start using your hands. Use your fingers a little bit. I'm going to unstick this.
Oh my God.
I know, right?
Yes.
Now trying to get it all nice and mixed up.
I like it.
Then we have to wash our hands
Julia.
after this.
You will have to wash your hands, yes. But before that, you will have to add the last secret magical ingredient.
Which is what?
Well,
Yeah, and glitter.
Slime.
slime. And it's not free.
I like it.
I like to put my hands into it. I like it.
Oh, yes.
I like it when it farts. Can we make it when Miss Clap is around?
No.
Why?
Because you're out of glue.
And then what is Miss Clap is gonna say?
I don't know.
The baking soda with this one bird. It's just one in my eye. This is. What's on? What's on we're having the cupcake?
I don't know.
It doesn't say it on the board. It doesn't say it on the board, Miss M. It doesn't say it on the board, you crazy goofball, you. Jeez, Miss M. God.
Alright, so here, girls. Unfortunately, after you scoop it out, and oh wow, Amy, yours came out so perfect. You gotta stir it just a little bit. I'm gonna put the glitter on, and we're going to clean up this mess before we stir in the glitter, okay? So leave it as is, and take your tools over to the sink, and we have to clean them, okay? Because we don't leave slime ingredients.
I love slime.
Eat slime. So leave the slime where it is, please. And do both of you want glitter added to your slime?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Mix that up completely, please.
It's Julia.
Yeah, and then we can do it.
Yes, you want your
I like it.
But you've got other tools too. You've got your forks, you've got your mixing bowls, you have your whisks, there's a spatula. All of it needs to be cleaned, please. This trickery here.
Thanks, sugar. Everybody here. There you go. Oh, yes. I'm so happy that I was right.
Stop.
Proud of you because you took the project and then you got all the ingredients and then you made slime.
Ooh, I did.
Oh, you're gonna be yelling at us for not.
Okay, this mine.
I can hear some people dancing.
We're not done cleaning yet. Because I also would like for you to clean off the counters, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So that means I don't want any glue left on the table. Amy, you can take this rag and a spray. Excuse me. I can hear some Julia. Beep, beep, beep.
Julia.
Do you want to go dance with them while your slime dries? No. Beep, beep.
What?
Cool. I'm setting a timer.
Woo! Now we can clean mine out.
Yep, when that timer goes off, you can mix in the butter to your slime. So, take the spread, you know, make sure there's no glue left on the counter.
Julia. Great.
Can I see my slime?
Nice.
I love it.
Julia. Touch.
Why?
Good.
Glitter?
All set.
Great. Do not touch that slime until the timer goes off. Okay? Isn't it so
Smells
Julia.
It smells like. I think the cupcakes would probably smell very nice. Than this.
Oh, much nicer than this stuff, that's for sure.
Is your hair getting more darker or something?
You already asked me this question. What did I say the last time?
Where's the bad finger? Can I see your which finger?
Uh-huh.
Where is it?
So when this timer goes off, girls, you can touch your slime, but not until then. It's getting better.
It's growing.
Uh-huh.
Julia. Shh.
Why? YouTube channel?
What this is. Okay, our timer on. Our slime to wait and touch it.
I don't know. I don't know where your phone is.
Okay?
Where?
Don't touch it. We're waiting for our slime contains to the timer. It makes it cool, makes slime is cool. Mine is right here. It's so cool to me to use. Oh my god!
That's the try. Can I watch my movie now? Okay.
Joy, not yet. They got no glue in my hands. Okay, my son.
What are you trying to ask me?
Where's your roommate go? Where did Igor go?
My room. Oh gosh.
It's hard not to touch it. How much more time?
Where's my hands?
Why do you have your purse with you? Why?
Because I'm running away from home and I'm joining circus.
You're not.
No, I'm not. I already joined the secret circus. Okay, so this, I'm going to show off the timer because I want to see you play with it.
Julia, don't.
So get your hands in there and start stirring.
You can take the whole thing out and put it down on the table.
Push.
Why don't you flip it over and try to mix in the glitter instead of just rubbing it onto the table? There you go. It's a royal mess, but it's your mess.
What is Miss Claps gonna say about this?
We're trying to increase this line.
Yeah, we're trying to hit the slime.
No, stop.
What's wrong with having the cupcakes, Miss Sam?
I don't know, man. They're not my cupcakes.
Allie H's cupcakes.
So this was a good experiment.
Yep.
Okay.
Allie H, Allie girls,
Whose cupcakes are they?
Allie.
Allie which?
Allie.
Allie with me on.
Can you ask Allie and Neil?
Oh my god, I love it.
Can I watch the movie upstairs?
Not yet. Now my slime is perfect. Yay me.
It looks like this foam went just like pass out.
What?
It's also like for whoop slime.
It does look like slime. Come on. And now I put on the table for me to mix it boobies.
Mixy wooey, mixy wooey, mixy wooey. Mixy wooey. Ah.
Wow. I need I need something to put my slime in.
It looks like someone just farted.
Stop. I like my slime. Stretchy. Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna wash my hands.
I'm not. I love it. It's stretchy.
Come on.
Why?
They're not coming off.
Because
Why?
the slime. Julia, who's playing your slime? Me, yes. Slime. And now I am grabbing something. Now I'm going to show you. Right in here. Now, it's in the thing to use. Just in case I go to school and play my slime. And I will have Julia's too. Make sure put it in here. There you go, and close it. This is mine and Julia's. So I packed everything in my slime. Look at that. Yeah, it's so good slime that I was making for you guys. And now I'm washing my hands again. Where's soap? Soapy. I'm gonna clean my fingers. Come here. All set. You can dry it like this. Then I dry this. Okay, picture. Like this. Yeah. I dry my hands. And that's done. I go shopping to get my glue, okay? To make one more slime to show you that thing looks different. Mine is red slime, and that's why my slime is glittery too. Mine is up top. That's me. That is my slime making. I love it. Look at the color, it's so cute. And the glitter tip top. I like it. So that is my slime. Thank you for watching.